Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and we have two great swag kits that are going to be in the same video because they're made the exact same way and they have the same items in them. They're just two different colors, and that is the geranium swag kit. These geranium stems are so beautiful because they kind of have a mix of some greenery as well as the color. This is the pink one. We're also going to offer you the red one. So you're going to make these the exact same way. And then you can easily twist these onto things. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to twist it onto the wreath and the lantern, but I'm also going to show you how easy these are to set places, like a bookcase or down a mailbox, all that kind of good stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. It's the same way we've made all the other ones, but we're also going to pair it with this really nice leafy bush. I wanted this one to be a little bit larger. This on its own is pretty, but it's kind of too sparse. I wanted it a little bit fuller. So all we're going to do is pair it with this nice greenery bush. This one is so easy to do. You're just going to fluff it out like normal. And if I go too fast, feel free to go back and watch one of our other swag videos. It's the same way we do it every time. We're just going to chop off these stems, fluff everything out. Now, if you're doing it on a lantern, everything I do right now is pretty much the same, except you're gonna hang it this way. And this one is quite a bit bigger on a lantern. For the wreath, just go the other way. So you have a little bit coming down. So I'm gonna set this aside. All we need now is a little bit of ribbon. So for the pink one, I chose two pinks. So if you're a pink lover, this is gonna be perfect for you. You got two shades of pink. On the red one, I chose this really pretty dot and stripe. So same ribbons and everything, it's just two different colors. So this is perfect for like ladybugs, bumblebees. You could even use this like maybe for Valentine's Day if you wanted to have it for a holiday. 4th of July would be great too. The pink one, I imagine like Easter, Derby, all kinds of great stuff all through the summer. So we're going to take our two ribbons, start with your widest one, make yourself a couple loops. Leave your tail a little bit longer. Now you're going to take your narrow one right on top. I loved these two together, the two different patterns and the two different shades. I just thought they were so pretty. And we're going to make a couple loops of that one as well. Take your piece of cloth covered wire. Tie it right in the middle, and now you're ready to tie it onto your stem. So like I was showing you before, if you're putting it on the lantern, you want to put your bow right up underneath this biggest little section of geranium. If you're putting it on a wreath, you're going to do the exact opposite. Just flip it over and do it right underneath of the biggest piece. I'm going to go ahead and tie it off and twist it onto this wreath here and trim my tails. I'm just going to tie that bow in a knot. What's nice about these is I'm going to show you all the places you can just use these little swag pieces like this in your home. So you can just twist it onto a wreath. Maybe you have a grapevine wreath. This would be perfect for that. And then I always like to bring a little bit more in the middle of the bow, bring it forward a little bit, just so it doesn't look like you've stuck a bow on there. And now you're ready just to trim those edges, trim the ends of the ribbon. Perfect. So easy to do. It's a little bit fuller of one with those two nice bushes. The greenery bush is really nice, and it just makes for a really pretty piece onto a wreath. So you're going to do the red one the exact same way. Maybe you're more of a red person. I'm going to go ahead and make it up, and I'm going to take you and show you a couple other places to put it in your home.